Just for the record, I regret to inform you that KLAZZACT and I are not friends. Some of you had to know, because I can't allow you guys to keep making that mistake. KLAZZACT and I are not friends. She's my sister, and I love her dearly. Our relationship goes beyond friendship. And to be honest with you, I did not expect to find someone like her because of Chebe, who touched my heart the way she does. KLAZZACT is an amazing woman. She's my angel. I've always referred to her from day one as my angel, because it's something about her spirit is nurturing to my soul. You know, she's been going through a lot, and I've been praying for her and her family. And this woman and her family are really going through it, and she still, after I told her not to, found the time to send me a box. And I know that she can make better use of her time than to think about us. And it's not just me. I watch her videos. This woman, she goes above and beyond, making people butters and oils and things like that to help them along their hair journey. And all she asks is that you just pay for postage. Now, how many people here on YouTube can say that they know someone other than KLAZZACT who would do something like that, especially when they are really going through it? And so I know without a doubt that she has blessed so many people with her kind heart. And I'm one of them. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I'm so thankful to call that angel my sister. Yeah, I told her don't do it because she's got other things to deal with, and she still insisted. And so I want to share this unboxing with you. Yeah, I'm trying not to cry because when you're faced with adversities, and sometimes we hide and we go within ourselves and we just kind of repel back from everyone. But this woman, she reaches out, and she is a positive example reflecting God's love and beauty, that in spite of yeah. So anyway, I'm not trying to make this video long, but I'm just thankful that, you know, that she is who she is, and she has really touched my heart, and I love her so much. Love you, sending love and still sending prayers your way, and I want you to know that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing. it. Okay, there we go. Aye. Oh, how pretty. Okay, first is this beautifully wrapped. Beautiful, beautiful paper. Here, I like anything like blingy or shiny or sparkly, and this is beautiful. So, let's see what's in it. Oh, it's pink. My favorite color. Oh, y'all. Oh, my God. What is it? Oh, my goodness. This is so freaking adorable. Girl, I mean, serious? Look at this blouse. It has like the rolled up sleeves with a button, which I absolutely adore. Oh my God, look at the sides, y'all. Can y'all see that? Oh my God, I freaking love this. Look at that. She got me. She got me. She got me. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is so beautiful, and I can't wait to wear this. That is so beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you. And girl, that ain't even all. Oh my God. Oh. Before I open the other one, this one says, "See, babe." Girl, you done told me up. She says, "You're such a blessing in so many ways." No, you are. Okay. She says, "Look at this love mail as a halo hit from the Lord. For all that you do and have done for me and others, you have blessed with your small acts of kindness. Your light is shining bright." Thanks so much. May God continue to bless you richly. Love you, sis. Class act. Oh my God. I'm speechless. Okay, so the next box is something square in this beautiful paper again. It says Boxy Charm. I don't know what that is. Cute. Hello, Charmer. Oh, y'all. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's got... Uh-oh. I gotta get that. Oh. So this is like a box full of different things, like Like, this is all natural collagen infused lip mask. God knows I need that. I need it. And this is Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. I was just talking about getting a charcoal mask. Oh my God. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then it has Basha Exfoliating Peel Gel. Oh girl, yes, yes, hunty. That is so cool. Oh my God, it's got all types of things. Look at this. I love this color. How could you know? And this is, oh, it's like a concealer. Thank you. Thank you. I need it. I need it, and I need lessons on putting all this stuff on. Oh, cool. I love LA Colors Pro Conceal. Love, love, love it. I should wear it more though, huh? And this is Lip Injection Glossy. Yes, hunty. I'll probably be wearing that on Valentine's Day. Oh my God, and it's just so much more in here. Oh, this is an eye cream from Clinique Pep Start. That's so cool, girl. Oh my goodness. And this is from Makeup Forever Artiste Rouge. That is so cute. And oh my goodness. And this is from Gorgeous Cosmetics. You got me. You got me, girl. Not too many people get me, but you got me. You got me. You know me. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is, oh, some Moroccan oil. How cute is that? Cool. And I got a brush. It says Crown on it. Girl, and I need brushes. I need brushes. And I have, let's see, Makeup Forever eye pencil. Yeah, because I wear my eyeliner heavy. And I go through a lot of these. Thank you. And, oh, cool. Bronze and Brighten from Pure. Oh, my goodness. Let me see this. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, my God. You're amazing. And I thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I mean that. Thank you so, so much. You are an amazing woman, and no one's ever done this for me before. And yeah, this is amazing. I can't wait to use this. But that charcoal mask, man, I said, maybe that's what I need. Oh my God. You know, I'm getting older and wiser. But I cannot wait to wear that beautiful blouse and to try these products here. Thank you so, so much. I love you, love you, love you. And yeah. I appreciate you, and I appreciate your kindness, and I appreciate the love that you have for all of us. So, yeah. So I'll catch you on the next video, and thank you again. Okay? Thank you, thank you.